This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device supports face recognition and the app can tag faces. Make sure the OS is up to date. Next, pick a set of clear, frontal images. Lighting matters because algorithms need consistent facial features. Now open your Photos or face tagging app and create a dedicated album so you can test changes safely. Once done, select 5-10 representative images to speed up detection. This first batch trains the app and prevents misidentification later. You now run face detection and review the app's suggestions, accept accurate face crops, and reject false positives. When naming, type the person's full name so records match. Add several photos per person because the system learns variation in expression, angle, and lighting. If duplicates appear, merge identities to prevent split profiles. Make small crop adjustments when a face is off-center. These manual corrections improve the model's confidence and reduce future errors, so take time to refine. You finish by verifying tags across the album and syncing with your cloud service so face data persists across devices. Then test recognition with 3-5 new photos to ensure the system generalizes. When it misidentifies, add the photo to the correct identity and the model will learn. If problems continue, like persistent false matches, reset that person's face data or rebuild the app's face index. This clears corrupted examples and lets you retrain cleanly, which usually fixes stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.